Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to your GCash wallet. So if you want to do this, it's really easy thing to do. First of all, you have to go to your Sweatcoin, open the application, ensure your balance is visible at the top right, and navigate to the shop section within the app. Here you can find various offers and prices, and here in the prices section, such as a gift card and product. Look for the giveaway that might offer gift card like PayPal or Amazon. Winning one of this gift card can provide a way to convert your sweat coin into cash indirectly. If you win a gift card, link to it to your PayPal account. You can then transfer funds from your PayPal to your GCash wallet, effectively converting your sweat coin earning. If you're familiar with cryptocurrency, consider earning sweat coin or sweat cryptocurrency through the app. You can exchange this for the cryptocurrencies and the withdraw those funds to your Gcash using a crypto exchange. Regularly check the Sweatcoin app for any update or new feature that may allow direct transfer to Gcash in the future as the platform is continuously evolving. Right, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.